Hi guys, we're watching YouTube. If you guys can see, if you think we're lying, Teriyaos, yeah, we did it. We're watching. Oh, you see, yeah, it's like almost. It's a tree house. It's like light enough tired. I don't want to go sleep at the school. They boy.
Can you guess the word?
Jellyfish. Jellyfish, yeah.
Yes.
Us.
14 minutes past 7.
Yeah.
Jellyfish.
Please.
Yes, the answer is
Jellyfish. Yes, man. I got it. That's the end of the game.
Take a good look at all these emojis and plot their positions in your mind.
One day. Was it just soon?
Time na ako.
Remember the bush? Oh, remember.
Now, let's test your recall. Where was the jelly emoji located?
Number 5. I'm going. I'm going with number 5. He's going with number 4. I'm going with number 5.
You are totally correct.
Nee, dat is heel man geworden. Guys, zie jullie bij hier? Guys,
Think fast. What's your guess?
Rubber bank.
Balkon. I think it's
Rubber
balkon.
bank.
I don't know. Maybe it's rubbing. Maybe it's balkon. Maybe.
Aha!
Oh.
It's a riverbank.
Klatter.
Now she knew that stuff, guys.
Ay, sorry, ik ken niet
How about this?
Fireman.
Ang pisig firefighter. Basta fireman.
Guys, my closest. Ik is no more. I'm angry, guys.
A fireman.
Guys, mas kung van jullie wat Afrikaans verstaan, ja?
Yeah.
Wat een beetje Afrikaans van
Yeah, yellow.
Dragonfly.
Oh, dragonfly.
Dragonfly.
Fly.
Dragonfly.
So,
Een vlieg. Wat is een vlieg in Engels? Een fly.
Dragonfly is the word.
Ja. Alam ni Muslim man.
si Bang Tokis is
Guess the word.
leather case.
Let it go.
I think it's leather case. I don't know.
Staircase.
Bye guys, the vlog is ending. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please guys, we need your support, man. Bye. Love you.